Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make viral text effect in After Effects.
Is that your blood?
First, import your video and vocals.
Some of it, yeah. You can't smoke in here.
Now open your vocals waveform.
Is that your blood?
After that, select your text font. I use here Arial bold font. Now write your dialog text.
Is that your...
After that, I applied fade upwards effect on both text layer
Is that your blood?
and adjust it according to your dialog.
Your blood? Your blood?
Now make a opacity keyframe where your dialogues end and go 60 frames ahead and make a zero opacity keyframe.
Is that your blood?
After that, decompose both text layers. Now apply effects on first text layer. First I apply bevel alpha. After that I apply deep glow and do my settings. In last I apply drop shadow. Now I apply gradient ramp. In start color choose white color and end color choose red color. Now adjust ramp setting like me. After that, copy first text layer effects and paste it on second text layer. Now our first text effect is ready.
Is that your blood?
Now I will write second text. Here I choose Iron Man of War text font. You can copy my text setting.
Some of it, yeah.
After that I apply fade upwards effect on text layer.
Some of it, yeah.
Similarly, adjust your settings according to your dialogues.
Some of it, yeah.
After that, duplicate your text layer and do this setting on upper text layer. Now apply bottom text layer as texture plasma effect and do my setting. Now pre-compose both text layers. Now copy your previous text effect and paste it on these text. Now go in color and choose green color. Now our second text effect is ready.
Some of it, yeah. Some of it, yeah.
You can't smoke in here.
Similarly, I write my third text. Here I choose Game of Thrones text
You
font.
can't smoke in here.
Now pre-compose it. After that, apply S texture cells effect and do my settings. Similarly, copy text effects and paste it on this layer and change color to blue.
You can't smoke in here.
Now our third text effect is ready. If you want more text effect tutorials, then comment below.
You can't smoke in here.
Thanks for watching this. See you soon, guys.
Is that your blood? Some of it, yeah. You can't smoke in here. Is that your blood? Some of it, yeah. You can't smoke in here.